What has happened in BC Spirits? BC Spirits, Spirit Day number 258. This one I'm excited about. I'm really excited about this. Couple of reasons. If you haven't noticed, when I get new whiskey, I get excited. So I got the Stillhead, which was their first release, which made me really excited because it was their first release of whiskey, which is a big deal for a lot of distilleries. A lot of them sit on 3, 4, 5 years worth of stock, especially in this time, to make their whiskey. And so it's always a big deal. But the reason why this one is a bigger deal for me personally is that it's owned and operated by bartenders. And the whole premise of this distillery has always been bartender spirits for bartenders, and everybody else gets the lucky draw of enjoying their spirits. And it's the very first release of the Resurrection Spirits Rye Whisky. Now, Resurrection Spirits is a dedicated rye distillery, which seems very odd and weird because rye as a grain itself is a bit of a pain in the ass to ferment and distill. But for some reason, Canadians love it, so we just do it. This is 100% BC rye, double distilled and aged in oak, just over 3 years. I've been to the distillery, fantastic little venue, gorgeous venue, like from outside, just a little door. Then you walk inside, this big, expansive sort of warehouse sort of feel venue. Really looking forward to this one. Brian and the team over there have just done a fantastic job, and I know this has been a massive labor of love for them for a really long time. So when bartenders have passion and have a labor of love to make something that they've always either envied or wanted to be a part of, it always is a little bit special for a bartender to a bartender. Ooh. Definitely not rushed. There's no green notes on this one. It's definitely got some nice density of flavor on the nose. Little hints of smoke on there. Then you start getting the rye and the oak. On the palate. Oh, they've done a really great job on this one. It's not like a massive spice bomb in your face. All you're tasting is rye spice and black tea. This one is definitely balanced off with the oak aging and given it a really nice mouthfeel. The spicy rye is right there, but it's not that sort of spice bomb that we've been falling in love with, whether it be Macro or BC brands. This is a very well thought out. I feel it's leaning much more into your classic sort of American style ryes. It's got beautiful rye complexity, but there's just so much more going on there. The fact that it's 100% BC rye is a massive testament because you could have just ended up with a massive rye bomb. But instead, it's complex. It's got some deep oak tones there. I don't want to say like I'm getting some wine tones there, but I don't think that's it at all. It's just this beautiful spice, vanilla, really nice depth of it all. Fantastic little number. I wish that they could make more because I know this is only in a very limited amount because this would be a fantastic whiskey to be mixing cocktails with it. I may even still do a sazerac with that. Fantastic little number. Balanced spice, balanced oak. Just fantastic. Stone fruits are in there. Really, really different to what I've tasted from people who are making rye whiskey here in BC. Thank you so much, guys, for the support. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.